Hi, I'm Realtor Paul Wozniak.
And I'm Realtor Lisa Rayburg.
And we're with RE/MAX Alliance. And we want to invite you to our very special event, Open House.
Yoga.
Open yoga. Because there's no place like home.
With yogi, personal trainer, and nutritionist Kelsey Diastra.
Yogi extraordinaire. She's amazing.
So amazing.
And it's going to be a really fun time because it will be sort of a workshop / Q&A hybrid. We'll do a flow in the beginning, but it won't last too long. And then we want to open it up to anything that you might want to work on. The basics of your yoga. Maybe you want to work on an inversion or some balances or some balanced inversions.
Ooh. It's going to be for all levels, so everyone is welcome.
And it's going to be a really fun time.
We really just want to share something that we love with the people that mean so much to us.
Yes, you mean so much to us, and we want to share this part of our lives with you. So please join us on Thursday, September 20th at Spring Canyon Park in Fort Collins from 6 to 8 p.m. for Open Yoga.
It's going to be a blast.
Please let us know if you're going to come by registering through our Facebook event. And until then, namaste.
Namaste.